Hi everyone, my name is Paul. I'm founder of iGOT.AI. So I believe this is the boring part today. So that's why I spend my time to say thank a lot of people for last 3 months. Thank you and Ken for your time in Hanoi and Tan and Mai and Ji Thao and Sir. Uh, the first question to kickstart my presentation is that have you got AI for yourself? Just raise your hand. Okay, so today sir, I would like to give you another version for to say I got AI version for your company for your the enterprise solution. Our footprint this year is that we becomes the member of National Data Associations and we collaborate with state audits to work in one of the super complex industry in the world. Yeah? So we collaborate to research with them to build the product. This slide is more about the overview of how the products really working now as an enterprise. So as of now, you can see that on the state four, most of people, the trend of the markets, we are building the agent. But most of the enterprise, they are hungry. It's not hungry about building agent, but they are building data. So the agent in enterprise, it should reflect with the data of the governments of the enterprise. If disconnected with the data, agent is meaningless for at scale. So we when we look at the problem with the market, you can see that this is the statement of the chief strategist of at Google. He just mentioned this last Saturday. He said that businesses are capturing far too much data, but all of the hub of insight are stuck in raw data. So that means that even in our country, right? So we spend a lot of operation, digital transformation, a lot of software we are building, even the AI. So this kind of stuff is ready. So that means that it produces a lot of data. That's what we see. But the data is not active yet, and that's the biggest problem we work with government today. And we saw that government has very intentionally working on data and try to optimize the data with AI. So that is the plan for our company.
Handling scattered, unstructured data is time consuming and overwhelming. With iGOT.AI, cut up to 95% manual effort. Turn everything into structured, AI ready data in minutes, with high accuracy at scale. Unlock intelligence from your own data, powered by agentic reasoning across multimodal documents. Orchestrate AI agents. You set the goal, they handle the rest. Right on your desktop.
Yeah, you just write something and it tries something
Privacy
for you.
first by design. Data stays local. Insights scale from a single source of truth, accurate, reliable, and secure. From audit to every industry, we empower government, finance, legal, HR, business, and beyond. Start building with iGOT.AI.
So this is the very quick overview about products. So we see that our people, your company, just upload the raw data, and then we have the platform allow you to really manage the very raw data. Everybody in your company can manage the data, and you just define the data you want to connect, right? And then you run transform. It's transform the data from raw data into very unstructured data. And after that, based on your structured data, everybody in your company can create labeling platform, labeling project. So it's from there, right, you can transform the data into trainable data. So everybody have the chance to build their own SRM model for their purpose. And this is the product that we already have in the alpha version with our client. So you see that you just create annotation data, and after that, a lot of people can join into this project and do the annotation for your company. And this is the products for audit processing. You see that people just connect the folder and they select the agent. And this agent already designed before to make sure that it can process the data and then execute something for you. It's see, so there's this multi-step of the multi-hop of reasoning process based on your internal data. And after that, this kind of agent work for your company at scale. That's our products. Let me walk you overview that on top of the products we have the cookie apps. So cookie is referred to the privacy. So everything is sitting on your computer, and then you just connect with the agent. So thank you to Qualcomm again for pushing us to the another boundary to deliver two patterns right here. So we have the first patterns to really help the agent to manage the short-term memory because when you work with huge data, the information is flowing a lot. So that's why solving the short-term memory is super hard for now. And we also have second patterns for long-term memory to make sure that it can organize the data for you. Because the vision of our company is that the AI will manage 90% of your data. There's no more software, no more physical layer anymore. And this kind of agent allow you to manage the company data. And this is the outline of the operation in our product, right? So for one audit project, so you have to prepare, go to data log, prepare your data, you process, and then when you prepare, just upload everything, raw data right there, and go to the studio, define the agent. The agent is specifically serve a unique purpose, and after that, you just open the cookie, boom, and something is going to happen behind the scenes, and you don't have to care, just review the result right there. And this business model, actually, we don't really care about our business model now because we really focus in research and the technology. But last year, 6 months, we worked with Viettel to deliver some product for our clients, and we also trying to deliver our platform on Azure because I think that Azure is the global partners that we can go target to government. We target to become B2G, so Azure is the best one I think that we can work with. But also we want to work with Pixel ML to deliver the agent layer to make sure that the agent layer on Pixel is very cool. So we would like to connect with them to make sure that we can cover the full stack of the agent development. And thank you to the team. So this is the biggest team that we can build. So we have two teams from McKinsey. So Mr. Khan has many years in governments, but also we have two guys from Viettel has a super experience in large scale data. So Mr. Jung he's currently CTO of Viettel Money, but also we have the advisor. But actually, I started this company with Arvin Lohan, who is head of data science and growth at Grab. He invest his effort a lot quickly with me to build the minimal products, and we start something 2 years ago, and then everything we built for now come from his mind. Thank you.
Thank you, iGOT.AI. And now it's 5 minutes for Q&A section.
By the way, congratulations to both you and Pixel for finding collaboration during QVIC. It's really, really good to see. My question is your business going to be largely for governments, given the audit focus, or will you also extend into corporations, shipping, pharmaceutical, so on and so forth? Because everyone has audit needs.
Yeah, actually, audit is everywhere. It's not only in government, but for now, the governments are aggressive with that because to me, that our company is focused more about return on impact rather than on investment. So government is the place that we can improve the impact and raise the impact into another level. And even the budget, the ticket size from millions from government, we can earn for 2 million for 5 years. We can secure. Yeah, actually, yesterday we secured the contract for 2 million for 5 years. And I think that the impact is huge. And another metric that I can show you that the last alpha test we worked for last 3 months that we gained 5 million. We can collect 5 million from something bad happen, and we collect 5 million for government based on our platform. Just 5K credit. That's what I could say about impact.
Can you explain a bit more on your collaboration with Viettel?
We built the infrastructure with Viettel for a client, and they support me about security, about infrastructure, and how we work together to solve the problem at the government. Because the audit is all about security, so I think that they can cover that part for me. No questions so far?
So your business models now is more B2G, right?
Yeah, exactly. For more of a business.
So can we share with us a little bit about your financial projections for the recent years?
Actually, we have two clients and 500K per year, but that's just the basic licensing. But we also have the license. We also have the fee. We have the revenue from building SRM model. Each government entity we can have around 100 model for 5 years. That's what it can cost another. It can has another 1 million for 5 years in terms of German.
Okay, so, sorry if I missed this. Have you found any partners under QVIC?
Yeah, two parents right there.
Okay.
I know how to get back. Two parents here. Yeah, right here. You see the short-term memory and long-term memory. Because when the agent collect with the data, a lot of information flow in the conversation. So that's why we have our parents can compete with the mem0.ai now. So we will release the benchmark very soon. But we have parents right there.
Sorry, I could like to follow the questions from Ms. Thao. Yeah, you mentioned that your business model is B2G. So, but B2G is take a long time for one deal. And what is the big challenge when you sell for B2G?
Because they are rushed in transforming how they work with data, and data is still cold, very cold, it's right there, and there's no one else really handling that kind of stuff. And it's time for government to really transform with AI. And even now, they are also agree with me to push the data to Google Store, to Google Gemini, because they agree that it's time to learn rather than secure the data in one place. So they are aggressive for now.
Thank you very much for helping the government to collect our taxes. Anyway, I believe that the government you're talking about is the Vietnamese government, right?
Yes, exactly.
What is your vision for tackling other governments outside Vietnam?
I don't think that far for now because I need to save my power. But I think that when we complete a very huge impact in Vietnam, I think we can go global very fast. So just focus short term rather than long term because we are technical guys, so too hard for me to plan for a few years. But for sure, we will go to market with Microsoft, I think.
So it seems like you want you have a technology and you want to make impact. That's why you're choosing the government to work with, right?
Yeah, exactly.
How do you measure your impact qualitatively and quantitatively?
$5 million is something that we already support them to get back from something.
So just helping them to get more taxes.
Exactly.
Thank you, iGOT.AI. It's also time's up. Thank you so much.